That's not good. All right now.
What are you doing in my trash?
You have a dog in your trash can. It's a boxer.
You a vet?
I worked at Animal Rescue one summer as a tech.
The boxers?
This isn't a boxer. It's a pit bull.
That's a dangerous dog.
It's not the dog's fault his owner's a dick. He's nothing but sweet. I work nights. I work a lot. We'll have to send him to Animal Rescue.
Please, a couple days. Hold until the weekend. Thank you.
What's a dog? It's not like some long-lost retarded relative shows up at your door in a wheelchair and a colostomy bag hanging out of his ass. Says, I'm yours now, take care of me.
Yeah. No, I never owned a dog before. I have no idea what I'm doing.
A leash, poop bags. This is the best book I know. You should read it.
Be sure the bottoms of the two side panels rest inside the bottom panel as illustrated. Marco, stay there. Stay there. Don't do it. Don't jump.
Sit. No, that's standing. Come on, over here.